Hey, this is Alex with the Recwell Bike Shop. You might be excited to get out on the trails, but have you checked your tire pressure yet? It's important to do this before every ride. We're going to show you how to inflate them right now. The only tool you'll need is a bike pump. This is a floor style pump. It's got a high quality pressure gauge and it's got a pump head that shows you what style of valve stem it can be used on, and also a trigger. Now you have to look at your tire and figure out what pressure it needs to be set to. Mine's 85 to 95. And you have to see if you have a Presta or Schrader. This is a Presta. It's got a built-in valve cap that you unscrew and screw in to add in lock in air. This is a Schrader style. It just has a dust cap usually. Now, when I'm filling my tire, I will need to open up that valve by unscrewing the Presta cap, and I'll take my pump head and I'll push it onto the head of the valve stem. Once it's on good, I'm going to lock it with the trigger. You know it works when the gauge jumps up to a number, and then you're ready to pump. Now I'll show you what I do here. You want to use even strokes and push all the way down to get that last bit of air in on every stroke. Once it's complete, you'll go ahead and stop pumping, and you'll release the trigger, take the pump head off, and lock your valve stem. On a Schrader, the process is pretty similar, but I'll show you what it looks like. I'll unscrew the dust cap, then I'll put the pump head on and lock it on just the same way. Mine's a little bit finicky on getting the actual pump head on the valve stem. Yours may be different. Then I'll pump and pump, and when I'm done, I'll just release the trigger and take the pump head off. And I can't forget that dust cap. Good bike. Now, just to show you how quick and easy this process can be, I'm going to show you the full steps of me filling up my tires. It's important that you do this before every ride. You want to get great performance out of your bike. It increases the longevity of your tires, and it helps you avoid those annoying pinch flats, which can be very difficult to patch, and sometimes you have to replace the tube altogether. All right, the first one's all done. I'm going to make sure that I go to the back and pump up the rear tire as well. Now, if you have any questions about pumps, what's going on with your pump, any troubleshooting, email us at askthebikeshop@umd.edu. We're happy to give you a hand. We want to get you riding, and we'll even do a virtual Q&A with you. My tires are all pumped up and they're locked, so I'm good to go. Look how happy I am to ride. Thanks for watching, folks. Have fun riding out there, wear a helmet, and happy trails.